3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Hey guys, it's been a while since I posted the comparison video of Apple Watch Ultra 2 and Garmin's Forerunner series, like 970, 570, X1, and other watches. Today, I want to share something different, totally different. Fenix Pro. At the end of this video, I'll share why I switched Garmin Forerunner series to this new Fenix watch. Firstly, let's unbox this new watch. Still Garmin, guys. Garmin Fenix 7X Pro Sapphire Solar. And these two, this is the screen protector, and this is OTG USB, the old friend. Maybe you wonder why I chose this Fenix 7X Pro. Why not Fenix 8 Pro? Well, the reason is very simple. I don't like the screen of the Fenix 8. I don't like that bright screen, and I know it has the speaker, but the sound quality is not very good. Yes, you can control it with your voice, but the latency of the voice control, I hate it. I don't like it. So that's why I chose this. Let's check. Wow. Can you see it? 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Let's check it out. Wow. And what's inside? Connect. This watch has an extra strap. This is the leather. Okay. And what's this? Oh, as you can see, this is the cable, still the old recipe. Okay, this is the main role of today. I wear two watches daily, most of the time actually. But I switched Garmin Forerunner series to Fenix series, Fenix watch, because the Forerunners, I'm not a runner. I don't like running. I like doing sports. Ooh, it's heavy. Wow. But check. It's so funny. I have to switch this strap, I think. It's too wide for them. Oh, very fast. Very easy. Just press this button and press this button and 3, 2, 1, bam. That's it. That's easy. That's quick. This is for business. This, I'm gonna use this. Look at this. This one is soft, comfortable. Look at this one. Press the button. It's called a fast fit. Like, ooh, it is fast. Very fast. So, and this, just click, click. That's it, done. Very fast. I'm gonna, ready? 3, 2. Let me turn it on. Fenix 7 Pro. ready? Alright guys, I'm going to set this watch as my daily watch. I choose this 7X Pro because I don't like the Forerunner series, no matter it's 970, 570, or 965. That's for runners. They are too light for me. I wear this watch 724. It's too light for me, so I choose this Fenix watch. The weight is good for me and I like the screen. Recently I found my eyes hurt the bright screen, like AMOLED screen, the HDR, they're too bright for my eyes. What will you do if you don't like the color of your bike? I ignore those videos. I hate those videos because the brightness makes my eyes uncomfortable. So that's why I choose this Fenix 7X Pro. I think the battery is great. Most important thing is this, can you see this torch? I love it. And the sensor, I need the sensor because my sleep is not very good. I don't like the voice control of Forerunner series, no matter it's a 970. Set a 5 minutes timer, please. What? Show me the timer. X1, turn on airplane mode. I don't like it. Maybe you will like it. Alright guys, for more information about this Fenix 7X Pro, don't forget to subscribe and leave a thumb up. I'll share more about this watch and the comparison of these two. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Take care. Love you.